Quicken Simplifi and Monarch Money are two budgeting apps designed to help you manage your finances, but they differ in focus and features. Quicken Simplifi, priced at about $3 a month, billed annually, is a user-friendly tool from Quicken that connects to over 14,000 financial institutions. It auto-categorizes transactions, builds a personalized spending plan, and tracks savings goals and investments with a simple interface, perfect for beginners or those wanting an affordable, straightforward option. Monarch Money, at $14.99 monthly or $99 yearly, offers a more comprehensive approach. It also syncs accounts, but shines with advanced investment tracking, customizable budgeting, and a Sankey diagram to visualize cash flow, plus collaboration features for couples. Simplifi is cheaper and easier to use, while Monarch provides deeper tools for those needing detailed financial oversight. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize simplicity or robust functionality.